Hi, welcome to 5030 Winlane. This Bloomfield Township home is listed in the Gilbert Lake community. Gilbert Lake, non-sports lake, but lake access, summer fun, winter fun, ice fishing. The master bedroom is spectacular. The closet alone is 1/4 size of the upstairs, which could be converted back into a 5th bedroom if you chose. But this house is spectacular, amazing, with all these amenities. Come on in and take a look. This home has so many amenities and is ready for you. So give me a call if you want to take a look.